TechnoGIMP Module 10. Give me a card. Overview. Situation. Your friend's dad is looking for a graphic designer who can create a business card for his startup business. Being a newbie graphic designer with fresh ideas, your friend referred you to his dad. Learning goals. By the end of this module, you should be able to: Number 1. Create a business card. Number 2. Use the text tool to add information. Number 3. Use the square or rectangle tool to add a background design. Number 4. Use the color chooser to add background color. Number 5. Rotate an object. Materials needed. For this module, you will need the following: mobile device, XGimp image editor app, downloadable images. Learn. Key terms. Business card. A small card printed with one's name, occupation, company position, and contact information. Graphic designer. Creates posters, bus wraps, billboards, packaging, logos, and marketing materials depending on the industry. Rotating an object. When you insert an image, text, and shape, rotate handles on each of its corners appear. Use these to rotate the image, text, or shape. Let's practice. Instructions. Number 1. Open the XGimp image editor app. Then, tap New. Number 2. The canvas will now appear with the default dimensions. Number 3. To change the color of the canvas, go to the Tools menu and select Fill. Number 4. Tap the color chooser. In the dialog box that will appear, select a color for your canvas. Then, tap Done. In this example, the color white was selected. Number 5. Tap the canvas to apply the selected color. Number 6. To create a rectangle, go to the Tools menu and select Square or Rectangle. Number 7. Tap the canvas to insert the shape. To change the color of the shape, tap the color chooser. In the dialog box that will appear, select a color for your shape and adjust the alpha value to change its opacity. Then, tap Done. In this example, the color gray was used. Number 8. To resize the square to a rectangle, drag its sizing handles. To rotate the shape, drag the rotate handles. Tap the shape when done. Number 9. Repeat step 6 to 8 to add more design to the business card. Number 10. Make sure that you have downloaded jkclogo.png. To add an image, go to the Tools menu and select Import Image. Select jkclogo.png. Number 11. To rotate the image, drag the rotate handles of the image. Then, move the image to the lower left corner of the canvas. Tap the image when done. Number 12. To insert text in the canvas, go to the Tools menu and select Text. Type the text that you want to put in the canvas, such as the name, position, and contact details. Change its font family, font size, and font style under Format options. Then, tap Done. To change its color, tap the Color Chooser. In the dialog box that will appear, select a color for your text. Then, tap Done. Tap the text when done. Number 13. To save the image, tap the Options menu, Save Image.